In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if Find My iPhone is on or off. This simple yet crucial feature ensures you can track your iPhone if it's misplaced or lost. So let's dive right into it and make sure everything is set up correctly. First, grab your iPhone and start by opening the Settings app. This app is your go-to for customizing your device's features and preferences, and it's represented by the familiar gear icon. Once you're in Settings, look towards the top of your screen where your Apple ID information is displayed. You should see your name along with your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on that section. Next, you're going to navigate to the Find My settings. Once you tap on your Apple ID, you'll be taken to a screen with various options related to your Apple account and devices. From this menu, look for the option labelled Find My. It's typically located in the list of options under iCloud, and it's essential for keeping track of your Apple devices. Now that you've found the Find My section, tap on it to continue. You'll notice a few different options here, but what we're interested in is the Find My iPhone feature. This feature is the heartbeat of device recovery, enabling you to locate your iPhone on a map, among other functions. After selecting Find My iPhone, you should see a toggle switch that indicates whether the feature is on or off. If the toggle is green, it means Find My iPhone is currently active on your device. This is the ideal setting because it signifies that if you ever misplace your iPhone, you'll have the tools necessary to locate it through another Apple device or iCloud. If the toggle is not green and appears grey, it means Find My iPhone is turned off. In this case, you might want to tap the toggle to enable it. Keeping this feature on is highly recommended as it provides peace of mind knowing that you have control over your iPhone's whereabouts. Additionally, if you ever decide to sell or give away your device, having this feature on can help you in securing your data and ensuring you can erase it remotely if necessary. And just like that, you have successfully learned how to check if the Find My iPhone feature is on or off. It's a quick check that offers monumental benefits when it comes to protecting your device and personal information. Remember, having this feature activated is a proactive step towards safeguarding your digital presence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps keep your device secure. Be sure to join us next time for more iPhone tips and tricks.